Namaste, welcome to our Das Kitchen. Today we are going to make mango ice cream. In the summer season nowadays you will get mango easily from the market. You can see for that we need this mango, milk powder and this sugar. We need only just these three items. So now we'll put our three items in blender and we'll blend it very smoothly. You can see this is our mangoes, this is our sugar, you can see. We'll mix it so it's nice mixed, our mango, milk powder and sugar. So we'll transfer to the bowl. For that we first put our almond flakes, on the top we spread almond flakes. Now we'll cover it and we'll keep in freezer for 6 to 8 hours. We come back after 8 hours. You can see our ice cream is ready. You can see we remove it and our ice cream is ready to eat, and we'll cut it and we'll enjoy our ice cream. If you guys enjoyed our video, just hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Enjoy your ice cream. Thank you for watching our video.